Check out this beautiful masterpiece right here. On today's menu, I'll be showing you how to make this tasty, juicy barbecue pork pizza. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start today's recipe off by combining all the dry ingredients together. You want to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. After you add those 3 ingredients, then you want to add your instant yeast. Alright guys, so after you finish adding your dry yeast packet, you want to gradually add some water, room temperature water, just a little bit at a time. Mix it up a little bit until, you have a nice doughy consistency, alright? Alright guys, so after kneading my dough for a few minutes, this is what it should look like. You want to wrap it up with a saran wrap and refrigerate it, or leave it, at room temperature for about 15 minutes. Then you want to add some all-purpose seasoning, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning to the pork chop. I'm using like two decent sized pork chops. You want to add some thyme, some dry thyme leaves, mix it up same way. Yeah, and then we're gonna add it to the saute pan and cook it until the pork is nice and tender. Alright, so at this point you want to add some barbecue sauce, some honey barbecue. Grab a nice little kitchen brush and brush it all over the place, back and forth. After you're done with that, we're going to add a little bit more barbecue sauce to give it that extra, juiciness to it. Rub it up again, brush it up just like that. And then we're going to add our cheese, our bell peppers and all the other good ingredients.